Hello, fellow riders and motorcycle enthusiasts. Welcome to Bearded Outlaw. Welcome to another how to episode from India. Today's how to will be about clutchless gear upshifting, and I will be demonstrating it on my motorcycle. Though this technique is suited for sporty motorcycles, why not? And my motorcycle has the 4-speed gear set transmission, and the main components are the clutch, shifter, and the throttle. So the reason I am doing this video is that most of us do not actually know that it is indeed easier and swifter to shift gears without using the clutch. Though most of us ride motorcycles every day, we have ignored the fact because of two main reasons, I believe. In India, we do not have the fast lane, that is, we do not have to maintain a higher speed limit, and secondly, it's a taboo for us as we grew up practicing disengage the clutch while easing the throttle, shift the gear up, engage the clutch nice and easy while pulling the throttle back in. Clutchless upshifting is in many ways sophisticated and self-effacing. Look, a peacock! Wow! Before I show you guys how it is done, let me try and explain the theory a little bit. The gear system on a motorcycle is sequential. By sequential, I mean first gear is at the very bottom, one shift higher is the neutral, second, third, fourth, and so on. So when the motorcycle is accelerated, if you swiftly ease off on the gas and pull her back in, this has to be done like at the blink of an eye. The gears set in the transmission system are offloaded fleetingly. This makes it a perfect time for you to switch gears. Since timing is of the essence, it would behoove you to start off by faintly pre-stressing the shift lever by prodding it upward using a toe. This is when you swiftly ease off on the throttle and pull it back in. The gear set will fall into place one gear higher, very similar as to how it be done with the clutch disengaged. Once you have mastered this technique, you will be able to perform the gear shift and throttle adjustment simultaneously. Without further ado, let's put this to the test. Let me camera here so that you'll have a clear view of the shifter, and I will put up a split screen of me blipping the throttle. That's all for today, folks. Remember, you don't stop riding when you get old. You get old when you stop riding. Don't stop. Cheers. Bye.